Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you that how can you enable RCS messaging in your iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and try to turn on RCS messaging, I'll help you how can you do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, scroll it down, click on general and check for software update, and you need to update your device to latest iOS version. And now you need to go back. So guys, after going to back, you need to scroll it down, and from here you need to click on apps option, and after this you need to find messages app. So simply you have to scroll it below, and here you can see the option of messages. Click on it, and after clicking on it you need to scroll it down, and guys you can see here the option of RCS chats. So guys, as you can see, there is no option to turn on RCS chats, but no need to worry guys, you need to go back, and after going to back you need to open your Apple Sport app. And after opening your app you need to wait for some seconds here. So guys, maybe it take a long time, simply you have to wait for more seconds. So as you can see, app is unloading, so you have to wait. So guys, if it is not working, you need to go back and open it again. And now you need to select your gadget here, scroll it down, click on more. So after clicking on more you need to scroll it down, and from here you need to find messages app, click on it, and now you have to wait. So guys, after this scroll it down, and you can see here is the option of call. Click on it, and guys you need to call at these numbers, and you have to tell your problem that you are not showing RCS chats in your settings, and guys they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.